Hello everyone, welcome to the EVS class. Students, most of you love fairy tale, isn't it? So, today we will study a new chapter in EVS related to plant fairy. Hope you all like it. Let's begin. So, look at the picture. You can see there are children who are having so much fun in the garden. I think most of us love visiting garden, isn't it? Whenever we go to the garden with friends, we play lots of game and see so many plants and animals. We all feel happy. You know, we can learn so many things about nature also in garden. One Sunday, Ammu and her friends too decided to visit garden with their Didi. They played so many games like hide and seek and Antakshari. They had lot of fun. Students, in Hindi we call hide and seek as chupan chupai. What do you call it in Telugu? Please tell me. Is it dugdu mota? Sorry if I am wrong. Please tell me what do you call hide and seek and Antakshari in your mother tongue. After some time, Didi suggested them to play Plant Fairy. In this game, Plant Fairy will call out a name of something and others have to touch it. Game began. Didi, who became Plant Fairy, asked them to touch a plant. At once, all the children ran towards the plant. You can look here. Ammu held the marigold plant. Sabnam sat touching a jasmine plant. Michael touched a mehendi bush and Dayaram caught hold of a neem tree. So, you can see all the children have touched the plants, but all the plants are of different kind. Do you noticed Didi? She is also sitting on a plant. Can you guess? Yes, you are right. It's grass and they are also kind of plants. So, we will today study about different kinds of plants. When you go to the garden, you may see so many different kinds of plants. Look at the picture. You may see some plants have thick stem. Some plants appears as bushes. Some plants may have green stem. Even some plant climb on other big plants. There are variety of plants in such a small garden. It's interesting, isn't it? Let's study different kinds of plants. Types of plants. First, creepers. As you can look at the picture, there are some plants that simply creeps on ground. Their stems are very fragile, long and thin. Example of creepers are watermelon, strawberry, pumpkin and sweet potatoes. Next, climbers. They have very thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright. But students, you will notice that with the help of outer or external support, they can grow vertically or they can grow upward. Example of climbers are pea plant, grapevine, sweet gourd, money plant and cucumber. Moving next, let's study about herbs. Look at the picture: mint, coriander and spinach. I think most of you have seen these plants. They are very small, non-bushy plants. Their stem is very soft and weak. Some other examples of herbs are wheat, rice, tomato and ginger. Next, shrubs. They are usually medium-sized plants and bushy in nature, but they are bigger than herbs. Their stems are hard as compared to herbs and they bear many branches. Some examples of shrubs are rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus plant, jasmine, lemon and henna. Next, trees. They are very big plant with thick, hard and brown stem. Trees have single woody stem with many branches. Example of trees are mango tree, neem tree and coconut tree. I think almost all of you have seen these trees. You can easily differentiate now between herbs, shrubs and trees, isn't it? Students, just now you have studied about different types of plants. Now we will study about parts of plant. All the different types of plant like creeper, climber, herb, shrubs and trees have parts of plant common. Let's study first roots, stems, leaves, flower, fruits and seeds. I hope all of you know different parts of plant now. Moving next, students, we have studied about different parts of plant. Now we will study some plants whose different parts we eat. Let's start with plants whose leaves we eat. Any guesses? Okay, so they are spinach, fenugreek, coriander, cabbage and lettuce. Moving next, plants whose roots we eat. Students, can you guess? Okay, they are carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato and beetroot. Moving next, plants whose flower we eat. Guess? Okay, they are cauliflower, pumpkin, banana and broccoli. I hope all of you have eaten these flowers. Moving next, plants whose stem we eat. Now you will think, how can we eat a stem? Okay, so let's see some plants whose stem we eat. Potato. I think most of you like eating potato, isn't it? Sugarcane, ginger, bamboo shoot and spring onion. They all are stem. Okay students, that's all for today. Now there are some homework for you. Please write this homework in your EVS notebook. Okay students, that's all for today's video. In the next video, we will study about different types of leaf, different types of leaf patterns, and some more new facts about plants. Thank you.